excited to get this running and see how this does. But it's a white Mustang just like mine, very similar setup. It is on beadlocks, unlike mine. It's also on dumps. They do not have rear Baer brakes, and I do. They're also gutted, just like me. It's a female driver, so that's going to be awesome. Honestly, I'm looking forward to that. So, Sil, if you're watching, this one's for you. And doing to that Mustang up top is very good. But hopefully these logs will actually give Lund something to kind of look at, gauge off of, and then we'll kind of go from there. But honestly, still pretty impressed with the car. And the runs kind of gave me the info that I was needing to get, at least for myself, and hopefully for Lund. So, we're going to send this log to Lund, have him look at it, and kind of just figure out what we need to do from there.